years now, debate has raged as to whether the estimated R1 billion state capture inquiry was worth its while, especially as many of those who have been implicated in it have yet to be prosecuted. And this is in light of the fact that the MPA has been legally afforded the opportunity to use the testimony that's been given at the state capture inquiry in the past 3.5 years in order to secure those very prosecutions. Vytjie Mentor, who gave testimony related to the Guptas offering ministerial jobs, says it was an important and necessary exercise.
I suppose when the public protector suggested 18 months, we all did not know the depth and the width and the extent of the state capture. And it only became clearer as the process unfolded. So I think it was long and it was costly, but it was worthwhile.
Former PRASA chairman Popo Molefe, who gave testimony at the inquiry in relation to dodgy contracts at the Passenger Rail Authority of South Africa, says the inquiry was a lifesaver for South Africans. Otherwise, we would still have been in the dark while further falling into the deep abyss of corruption, its attendant socio-economic consequences and a non-functioning state.
Literally, you are talking of a few elements of the state that still exist. Is the judiciary, is national treasury, is the reserve bank, and the revenue services. Those are the only ones which are still surviving. And some of them survive, but they are limping. So we were on the brink of the greatest catastrophe in the annals of the South African body politic.
Ms. Mentor said she was happy with the recommendations put forward by the Commission, which propose measures to be instituted by the state that ensure that state capture doesn't occur again. However, she regrets that the recommendations don't come with set timelines, worrying that the government of the day may not be as quick in foolproofing the country as it should. She also expressed disappointment with the performance of the MPA, saying that they should have better prepared for the conclusion of the Zondo Commission.
3 years ago, we should have been putting systems in place to anticipate the end of the commission and the rightful thing, which is to put people in jail, but also to retrieve whatever we can retrieve of our assets as well as our monies that have fled the country.
But major hopes are being pinned on what the state capture inquiry will help to achieve.
We hope also that it will expose the failure by public representatives to discharge their responsibilities of holding executives accountable to Parliament, holding state-owned entities accountable to Parliament, holding even those who belong to the parties that send them into Parliament accountable. We hope it will do so.
These witnesses say that they ultimately hope that the Zondo Commission serves to reset the way in which the state operates in alignment with the values of the Constitution. This for the betterment of ordinary South Africans. Nompumelelo Siziba, SABC News, Johannesburg.